Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a Sublime text editor for HTML or any programming language. Here's what you gotta do. After downloading the Sublime, you go Sublime text editor or IDE, you go and double click on Sublime, go to your downloads and you click on double now you click yes. No, you click next, install, and you wait until your Sublime text editor has installed successfully. So still installing, just hold on, be patient. Now the Sublime text IDE has been installed successfully. You click finish, and that is it. Thank you.